Hello developers. Welcome to Tencent RTC's tutorial video. I am Taylor, the avatar powered by Tencent RTC. Today, I'll show you an advanced feature of Tencent RTC called floating window. If your audio and video calling website or web app requires a floating window, then follow the steps in this video to get started. First, let me introduce you to the two key properties for implementing the floating window feature. The floating window feature primarily relies on two properties: allowed minimized and allowed full screen. The allowed minimized property enables to minimize of the call interface, thus realizing the floating window functionality. On the other hand, the allowed full screen property allows the call interface to be maximized, enabling full screen mode. Together, these properties complete the floating window feature. Step 1. Write the key properties into your project. Let's navigate to the project file and proceed with writing the code section. Now the properties for full screen and minimization have been successfully configured. Step 2. Create a local project to establish a call. Then let's proceed to the project execution phase. Here we can see two project files. The one on the left has the port number 8080, while the one on the right with 8081. For the convenience of local testing, we can create another identical sample project. This project will be exactly the same as the call demo, and you can refer to the previous video for the specific steps. All you need to do is modify its user ID and user signature to be different from your own. You can make these changes here. Step 3. Perform a floating window demonstration test. Now let's begin the demo test. First, initialize the login and then initiate a phone call. As you can see, there is already a floating window button on the interface. Click the full screen button. It will enable full screen mode. Click it again. It returns to the previous state. Pick the minimize button. It hides the floating window. Click it again. It restores it to its initial state. And that's it. You successfully add the floating window feature into your website or web app. We hope this tutorial was helpful. For more information and resources, visit our official website, trtc.io. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. See you in my next week. Welcome you guys who subscribe to our channel. Happy coding!